Hello friends, welcome back to our channel You Next Officer. We are back with our initiative and discussion of sociology, daily one sociology question, and here we are with our first question. So before starting our session, do subscribe, like, share our channel guys. So let's start. Our question is sociology as a value free science. The question is sociology a value free science? So the first question is, we need to understand why sociology needs to be a value free science and what is value free science, that we have to understand. Okay, so we'll start with our this value free science. So what is value freedom? So, value free science. See, value is what? When the researcher, especially sociologist, when the sociologist is performing the research, he or she should be a value free. What do you mean by value free? Value free means the prejudices, the perceptions, the ideas, the conception of the sociologist should not be impacted while doing sociologist ideas, perspectives, prejudices should not be impacted on the research, right? And she should analyze the situation. She should analyze the situation aspect and the society neutrally, right? Neutral or value free, right? And this gives what? This gives a kind of a value free sociology. So shall we start with the sociology? I'm reading the question, is the sociology value free science? So we have to understand, we have to define it. So value freedom in the social research. So what we have to start, we'll start from describing value freedom in the social research, right? In the social research is the ability of the researcher to keep his or her own values, personal, political, religious, interfering from the research. So the whatever the value system the sociologist is having or referring should not be reflected in her research, right? This is called as a value free. The idea that the fact should not be influenced by the researcher's own belief or the science. See, science is what? Science gives always a value free, right? It is as it is. Means जैसा जो होगा उसे ही वैसे ही define करना है, rather than influencing their own uh, perspective in this, right? See, this kind of a perspective started means declaring sociology as a value free science started with the 19th century onwards, 19th and 20th century. Because sociology is what? Sociology is a product of a science, right? Is a product of a invention of a science, scientific revolution. We have studied about the scientific revolution, French revolution, and the enlightenment. So sociology is the product, or we can say product or influenced by all these. And when these sociology is influenced by all these factors, so definitely the early sociologists were talking about the early sociologists were talking about the sociology, or trying to establish the sociology as a neutral sociology, as a neutral subject, or related to the closely related to science. So sociology and the science are closely related to each other. So in the early phase, when the sociology started as a subject, the Auguste Comte and Auguste Comte, Durkheim, Emile Durkheim, they started referring sociology as a science, right? Sociology is what? Studying of society. Sociology is what? Studying of society, and that studying of the society is all about, is related to the studying of society in a scientific manner. Studying of society in a scientific manner leads to the sociology as a science. What the early sociologists were trying to prove, they tried to prove the sociology as a subject which is directly related to the science. The sociology is directly related to the science, and this science is helpful in interpreting the society, helpful in interpreting the society, right? Moving on to next part, that is the sociologist while doing the research. We are talking about the research. So while doing the research, sociologists, what sociologists prefer they prefer to do the kind of a quantitative research using the sociometric method or socio statistical method, right? This help us, this help the sociologist to prove their subject as a this help the sociologist to prove their subject as a value free or neutral, right? Neutral or the value free, right? So this is the one aspect. Moving on to next part, that is the positivist. See, the early sociologists were always were the positivist or the functionalist. What they tried to prove, they try to prove the sociology in a objective manner, right? In a objective manner. With that objectivity, they try to prove the sociology, they try to prove the sociology, study the society actually. With the objective manner, they study the society, and with that objective manner, with that objectivity, they try to solve the issues, they try to solve the social problems, right? uh, Say for example, what Karl Marx tries to understand during the industrialization, what he understood is that this is a conflictist perspective, right? Using his conflictist perspective, and while doing that research, right? Same goes with the Emile Durkheim. He interpreted the suicide as a social phenomena, right? And how he interpreted it, social phenomena, just because of by doing the research. And research should not be like biasness in this research should not be uh, inculcated while doing the research. Biasness was whom the sociologist, right? Sociologist biasness, prejudices should not be influenced, should not be included in the society, right? In the society while doing the research. Okay, moving on to next part. However, Weber completed value freedom is not possible. So what Weber says, that we are not objective, how we can objectify the humans, right? You see, one human being is this is a one individual. He or she reacts in a different way in a different situation, right? It's not like say for example, if there are five people in the family. See, one, two, three, four, and five people in the family. So, while seeing this aspect, suppose, say for example, caste, right? Every individual may have the different perspective related to the caste system, right? Maybe the marriage, right? Everyone has a different perspective. So complete objectification and complete value neutrality should not be possible in the sociology, because sociology is what is the studying of humans, yeah, right? It's not like we are studying the some object. So Weber was in the favor, was not in the favor of value, was not in the favor of value see, he was in the favor of value freedom, right? Value freedom, right? Rather than value free. Means every individual, every sociologist, see, in the sociology itself, the sociologist, different sociologists uses different lenses. Lenses is what? Some uses conflictic lenses, some uses functionalist lenses, some feminist, right? Positivist. These were also the lenses. Ethnomethodology, right? So seeing the same object or the social phenomena should be different for the different perspective, right? So we can write this example, means the sociologist sociological perspective should is always different, and with that sociologist perspective is what? It is a lens to see the society, how society looks like, how the interaction look like, how the social phenomena look like, or how the social group look like, right? Look like means they reacted, acted, and responded, right? Moving on to the contemporary, see, the contemporary researcher like Giddens, what they said, the structure which is largely seen as objective social action seems to be value laden. See, if we see the structure for, say for example, we are proving the Anthony Giddens. See, say for example, like marriage is a social institution, right? So but for everyone, the marriage institution may be differ, right? Different. though the basic core will be the same, but marriage institution in India, in the world, should be different. So it is not possible. So at the last, what I would like to conclude this answer is that the complete compartmentalization is not possible. Compartmentalization of the sociology is not at all possible. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys. Do subscribe our channel and let me know in the comment section what all things you would like me to incorporate, or what all things I would like to uh, add or subtract. Thank you guys. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you for the discussion.